Hello students, welcome to the channel Vedantu NCERT Solutions class 11th and 12th, where we discuss the NCERT back exercises of physics, chemistry and biology on a single platform. Today we are discussing chapter number 4 of class 12th biology, that is principles of inheritance and variations. And this is the question number 12 in front of you. So it is saying child has blood group O. So we know the blood group of child. Blood group of child is O, right? I am writing the here. Information here. If the father has blood group A, so blood group of father is A, right? So I am writing the phenotypes. Phenotype note कर लेते हैं, बाद में we will determine the genotype also. Mother has blood group B. So what is the blood group of mother? It is B. Work out the possible genotypes of the parents. Parents के genotype बताने हैं and the possible genotypes of other offsprings. तो आपको parents का genotype find out करना है basically. Parents genotype has to be find out and also you have to find out the genotype of other offsprings. Other offsprings का genotype भी find out करना है. तो बच्चों एक बात हमारे दिमाग में क्लियर होनी चाहिए कि अगर चाइल्ड का ब्लड ग्रुप O है, right, so both father and mother should have contributed to the gene. Obviously ये जो expression आया है it should be because of the contribution of parents alleles, parents genes, right. तो इसका मतलब है कि यहाँ पर जो father हैं he is actually heterozygous for the blood group A. So basically the genotype of father would be A and small I, where small I stands for O blood group. So homozygous recessive condition होती है for O. O तभी express कर सकता है अगर वो homozygous state में present हो, because it is a recessive gene, recessive allele. Similarly अगर mother का blood group B है, so she will also carry heterozygous form of B gene because she also is contributing to the homozygous recessive condition of the blood group of the child, right. तो basically हम एक Punnett square बना लेते हैं to understand this. Let's assume that the blood group of father is A like this in a heterozygous form and the blood group of mother is also in heterozygous form. So let's make gametes here. What will be the possible gametes formed in case of father? A and I. In case of mother it will be I, B and small I, where small I is going to contribute to O blood group, right? Small I represents O blood group. So let's make the Punnett square here. Let's make a checkerboard to see that what we are assuming is right. कि हमारी ये जो assumption है कि father and mother are heterozygous, ये सही है कि नहीं. So I'm writing gametes of father on one side and mother on other side. So we are going to mate or fertilize and see what is the probability in progeny. तो progeny में अगर आप IA और IB को mate करेंगे तो आपके पास एक individual आएगा who will have a blood group of AB type, right? A और B हमें पता है co-dominance show करते हैं, so both will be equally expressed. Similarly अगर मैं IB को I के साथ मेट करूंगी तो I'll get a blood group type of B, because you know B is dominating. तो आपको इसके लिए relation पता होना चाहिए. B is dominating over I. So you should know B is dominating over I, A is also dominating over I. Basically I recessive है and A and B are equally dominating. So they show co-dominance. तभी जो पहला केस है उसमें हमारे पास जो इंडिविजुअल ऑब्टेन हुआ है he or she will have AB blood group. Similarly second case में we will get B type. Third case में when I made small I with this A, it will be A blood group, right? Heterozygous A. And lastly if I made this I with this I am going to get children O blood group type. It means the information given in the question matches now with our result. So child was having a blood group O. Blood group O is only possible with the parents of A and B blood group type if they are heterozygous with their genotypes, right? And if I talk about the genotypes of the other offsprings obtained, तो हमें clearly नज़र आ रहा है other offsprings will either have AB blood group or they will have B blood group and they may also have A blood group other than O, right? So this is the genotype of other offsprings. Clear? So I hope children this solution is clear to you. If you have liked the session, hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to channel Vedantu NCERT Solutions class 11th and 12th. I'll see you in the next session.